I don't know if you can see in the background, but that's the box I was talking about in the last video. If you're a biker, you would already recognize this brand. If you thought the unboxing is done, it's not. And the final accessory is a side stand foot extension. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when watching this, welcome to a new vlog. I don't know if you can see in the background, but that's the box I was talking about in the last video. In case you haven't seen the last video, go check it out. I participated in a promotional ride for MotoGP Bharat. This is the first ride that was happening in India to promote MotoGP, which is happening in September, by the way. Tickets are already out there on Book My Show. Go check them out. Nothing paid or promotional about this. I booked my own tickets. I want to enjoy MotoGP, and especially when it's happening for the first time in India. Anyway, check out that video and let me know what you think. If you like that video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share, especially the subscribe button, because the more you get engaged into our content, the more it gets interesting, and also the more the brands recognize and we get boxes like this. So without a further ado, let me unbox this and show you what's in there. If you're a biker, you would already recognize this brand. That's SW Motech. I love their logo, by the way. So this is the Sysbag WP large size. They have small and medium, but these are their soft pannier bags. Those are the soft pannier bags, which are completely waterproof. The first impressions, the build quality, man, they look so premium. If you have been noticing my Instagram posts or my bike posts, you know that I've been using their tank bags, and they're the magnetic tank bag, and it's so easy to use. And I've been using it for the last 2 years and it has worked really well. And I'm a big fan of soft panniers, never like the hard ones. But in terms of the soft panniers that I have experienced so far, this is the best in terms of quality. Let me open it up and show you. Nice. This didn't look like a clip here. Surprising. So this just clips in like this. You press the edges and comes out. Velcro straps. This is like a roll bag, if some of you have been using that, but it's of higher quality, and this is the waterproof membrane. Interesting. They have compartments inside too. Oh, these are detachable. So I can put the bag aside and just show you the compartments. So you can organize these bags. Some straps to carry. I would always recommend using it with the compartments or the inner bag, so that it's easy to organize and you can just leave the external bag to the bike. Take this off. You can always tie this bag to the bike using some cycle locks or something. This is rated for 10 kilos, both the bags. Never load your bags more than the rated weight, because once you start going at a higher speed, or let's say you're not balancing it well, it can damage your rear tires and wear them out quickly. A lot of people complain about that wobble on the handlebar, right? That's because the bags are not balanced, or they're carrying too much of weight, or both. Looks really good, and I think this would look killer on the Multistrada Pikes because of the black and red accents. These are reflective panels, by the way, so that the bag is visible even in the night. Let's keep the bags aside for now. If you thought the unboxing is done, it's not. These bags need to be mounted, right? So these are the Sysbag adapter plates which go onto a pannier frame. Wow, that plate feels extremely high quality. This is the plate on which the bag sits, and this plate gets mounted onto a pannier frame. Let me show you the frame. think this is the right one because you get 2 mounting points here and 2 here. This goes to the number plate. And the best part about SW Motech pannier frames is that these are detachable. With just a small screw, which doesn't require more than a small Allen key or something, or a coin, you can detach, you can remove this entire pannier frame when you don't need it. Like when I take my Pikes peak on a track, I don't need these. I can just detach them, lose some weight, finish the track session, then mount this back on and the bags, and then get back home. Perfect, right? Love the build quality, man. Besides these, got some small accessories. I think these are the screws for the Sysbag adapter plates. And the final accessory is a side stand foot extension. The reason we need this is whenever you park in mud or slush, the side stand or the bike when it's leaned on goes deep. Kind of helps in that regard where it adds some extra depth so that whenever it goes down few inches, the bike doesn't completely tip over. Much needed accessory in case you're not aware of this. Let me just unbox this. That's it. That's the one. And I'm not sure if the camera is translating the build quality. This aluminum finish here in the front and the black color anodized finish at the back looks premium, dude. Boy, shooting these unboxing videos are kind of tough when you don't have the full setup of, let's say, overhanging camera and all. We'll have that setup at a later time, but for now, just super excited to start installing and riding with these bags. Man, this looks lovely. The quality of this bag is next level. Anyway, let me pack these bags back into the box because the installation is not now. It's gonna take time. I'll tell you why. I know these bags are waterproof and to some extent I am also, but we're not gonna install them on that rain here. It's been raining non-stop for 3 days. I think the only relief we had was maybe today morning for a while, short while for 1 hour or 2 hours, but it's been drizzling or raining non-stop for the last 3 days. Anyway, super excited to get these fitted on the bike. So that'll be the next few videos. That'll be done next week. And in August, we're doing a ride. Before that, maybe I'll do a short breakfast ride once the accessories are fitted, because we're getting some more by the end of this month. So a lot of things to fit, a lot of things to unbox, a lot of things to reveal and share with you guys. So make sure to click that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you don't miss any of the notifications. In case you're not getting those upload notifications, make sure you click that bell icon and turn on all the notifications. That's something a lot of people might miss. It's going to be a jam-packed few months and I hope you enjoy the content. But for now, that concludes this part. Let me go have some lunch, and in the evening I'm watching Oppenheimer with my friends, so kind of excited seeing the reviews, how people are talking a lot about it, and the Barbie movie. Barbie not so keen, but Oppenheimer definitely is. I'll let you know on Instagram how that movie is, so make sure you follow me on Instagram too. Chalo, see you later.